Green tag!
Red
Char-
flag.
Green tag! Ano yung sa Squid Game? Diba?
Green light.
Green light
Green
pala.
light.
Oh, so, green tag!
Iba kasi yung red light.
Red light district. Whoa!
Bastos agad grabe.
Wait lang.
Tap. Go. Saan na papunta itong intro?
Sa go.
Go. Okay, so...
Introduce.
Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm Hershey.
And this is
Chicks to Go! Go! Bakit tayo nag-uusap about red and green?
Kasi Christmas na. Merry Christmas, mga kapuso! Joke lang.
Very much na!
Kakanta na si si Marichan.
Whenever I see boys and girls and the boys and girls see me, remember the child
and the child remembers me. Whenever I see people and the people they see me. Oh.
Tapos, pero ito yung version sa jeep. Toot, toot. Whenever I see boys and girls with it. Yung patay-tay.
Tapos yung nararamdaman mo yung bass, diba? Yung bam. Okay. Sobrang ang galing natin gumawa ng mga walang kwentang intro, no? That's a talent. Like, dude, ang dami na nating episodes, pero sobrang kalat every single time.
May maganda intro natin kay Kuya Kim.
I think yun yung pinaka-maayos. So, I'm so proud of us.
I'm
Pero
proud of
bumalik
us.
na rin tayo sa
Our real colors.
our true colors.
Yes. And speaking of colors, there are two particular colors right
we're gonna
now.
be talking about
Red.
and green.
So, di ba lagi tayong, we talk about dating, romantic relationships, pero sabi nga natin na yung mga important relationships in our lives, hindi lang puro romantic. Nandiyan
Mga
na yung
platonic.
friendship.
Hindi naman nagsiwandon yung mga
Connect na naman tayo,
friends.
Platonic.
Yeah, but platonic friendships. Because we are friends. Okay, wala
For
na.
context, guys, it's 10 p.m. Fourth episode na namin to ni Ashley.
Dapat nagsisleep well na kami, pero andito kami dahil mahal namin kayo. Okay? Actually, red flag namin na mga crammers kami. Kayo pa dinamay namin, pero sa totoo lang, kasalanan namin to.
Tsaka, nag-space out ako.
Gusto ko yung literal nag-disconnect siya. Guys, alam mo yung, di ba sa Zoom usually, sorry, I lost connection. Ito, literal. Nag-disconnect.
May sinasabi ko, tapos sabi ko, I will build on that, tapos nawala. But anyway, puyat na. I lost the thought, but it will come back later. Sa Chicks to Go Chikahan, we asked the Chicksters ano yung mga gusto nilang pag-usapan natin. At maraming nag-suggest na they want to talk about friendship breakups.
Aha.
And we were thinking, parang ang lawak masyado ng friendship breakup.
Masyadong masakit. Oo. So, why don't we talk about mga red flags and green flags in friendships?
Yes. So, we will give 2 red each and 2 green each. Let's start with red.
Oo. Para
I'll start.
negative muna.
Negative
muna.
Okay.
Bad news muna, bad news.
I'll start.
Okay.
Alam mo yung pag meron kang success story, yung friend hindi nagko-congratulate.
Oo.
Or halimbawa, nagpo-post ka sa stories mo ng success mo. Either you got a job, or yung something na matagal mo ng goal, na nakamit mo na. Na-view niya yung stories mo, walang reaction, walang message, walang DM.
Aha.
Yung parang lagi lang siyang onlooker. Lagi lang siyang bystander, pinapanood ka lang niya. And then, pag sad ka, pag you failed, nandun siya. Kapag malungkot ka, lagi siyang present. Pero pag nagsasucceed ka, masaya na, wala
Nawawala
na siya. For me, red flag yun.
Yes, of course. Kahit sa relationships, may mga ganyan din eh. Yung parang imbes na matuwa yung boyfriend mo, parang alam mong Parang may inggit factor. So meron siyang, yes, may kasamang inggit yon, I think. So, delikado ang mga ganong klaseng friends.
Yeah.
That, parang may experience ka ba? Yes, would you like to share, Sean? That is a red flag. Kasi dapat we should celebrate everyone's wins. Like, not just yung win mo, but you as a person din.
Yeah.
Na, I celebrate you, I appreciate you. Na kahit hindi laging sinasabi, dapat, like, natural siyang lumalabas.
Oo. And
So, how do you deal with that pag ganun?
nafe-filter ko na sino yung mga true friends ko at sino yung mga, okay, hangout people lang. Parang one thing I learned is that we have to be very selective of the people we call friends.
Correct.
Kasi hindi lahat friends. Yung iba, colleagues, acquaintances,
Yeah.
people na ka-hangout ko pag nasa party ako, it's okay, but they're not friends. And that's okay. Parang not everyone has to be your friend and you're not everyone's friend.
Exactly. So, I think parang ganun nga rin yung isa sa mga, although this is not my red flag yet, but correct, mahirap yung mga friends na pag good time lang, kung kunwari sa'yo, yung hindi sinaselebrate yung wins, andyan pag malungkot, ayoko rin yung mga friends na pag masaya lang, pag good time lang, best in attendance ka, pero pag kunwari ako, may pinagdadaanan, wala na. Parang wala na akong purpose sa kanila kasi ako yung life of the party. So yun lang yung habol nila. Pero paano pag ako I need someone to talk to. I need someone to be there for me. But you don't show up. Medyo
Kaya nga,
sadness.
diba, yung friends, I'll be there for you.
Gulat ako biglang kumanta.
Tsaka sana na sa
Musical
tono.
pala to. Kaya nga yung friends, I'll be there for you. Thank you, Hershey. Gulat ako.
Ganito pala yung buhay pag real life musical. No? Yung biglang nagsasong and dance yung mga tao.
Alam mo, siguro hindi tayo ginawang singer
Singers.
ni Lord kasi magiging musical tong podcast na to. Can you imagine kung naging musical podcast to? Tanginang hirap.
I gotta go my own way.
What about us? What about everything we've been through?
And what about trust?
Yung boses
You
niya.
know I never wanted to hurt you.
What about me? Yung parang gulong-gulo yung mga tao, no? Na parang podcast ba to? Ano? Bakit biglang karaoke pala? Karaoke! Okay.
Ang ina. Ano
pa
sa'yo,
yun?
red flag
Okay.
mo?
Yung red flag ko, yung friend na freeloader.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Okay, yung freeloader, yung laging taker siya. Take. Na, or, example, pag kunwari, lalabas, syempre, di ba, I don't mind naman sharing, ganyan, or kung KKB, whatever. Pero may mga ibang friends na, bakit lagi mong nakakalimutan yung wallet mo?
Oh.
Yung all the time. Parang lagi siyang
Walang
nagtitake nga.
binibigay.
Walang binibigay, walang inaambag. More on me, I need this, I need that, I need ganito. Or yung basta may nabe-benefit siya sa'yo. Diba? Na para sa kanya lang na okay, well, at least, or yung let's say, I get free tickets to wherever. And I would love to share that with someone naman. Pero it would be nice din na, what if ikaw naman minsan, alam mo yung ganon, yung give and take.
Give and take.
It's not that I'm expecting, oh, okay, I'll do this for you, so I expect you to do this for me. Hindi ganon. But it's more of, kahit yung gesture man lang na, hey, lagi mo kong sinasama sa ganito, tara, let's do this. Like, it doesn't have to be something expensive. We can just hang out or something.
Yung
But
may consideration.
may ganon. May
Inclusion, consideration.
Ako yung nag-disconnect.
Sana kaya pa natin.
Guys, nag-shutdown ako. Guys,
Ito yung laptop stop na gang, kailangan mo i-press yung power button ng 3 seconds para mag-shutdown. Ayan. Nag-restart na ulit. Oh!
I'm back!
Windows,
I don't know.
Ayan, yung Windows Vista na. Andiyan na yung landscape,
Nawala ako.
nakikita mo na ulit.
Guys, wala ako.
Yung mga friends na take lang ng take.
Okay, basta yun na yun.
Hindi sa
Oh,
sumbatan.
take it or leave it.
Oh.
Take it or leave it.
Okay, my next red flag is pag yung tao lagi siyang nagba-backstab about their friends.
Oh
Yung
my
lagi
God.
siyang may kinikwento sa friends niya na ganito siya, ganyan. So, okay, kung ganyan ka sa friends mo, how sure am I na you're not like that towards me din?
Oo, na pag
Yeah.
pag tumalikod na ako. So parang, pag tumalikod ka na, ano sasabihin mo naman tungkol sa akin?
Correct.
Tapos yung sobrang with such passion pa, tapos biglang naging okay ulit. Parang, okay.
Oo.
Unless merong valid reason, bakit naging okay kayo ulit? Pero yung,
Yeah.
bakit ang consistent ng
Yeah.
bad news tapos barkada pa rin? So, paano?
Tsaka, yun nga, parang that, kumbaga, if you call someone your friend, friends don't do that to friends, diba? Parang pag friend, you'd want to be with a friend who will fight for you in rooms.
In rooms
that
talk about.
backstab you. Alam ba, putang ina, hirap mag-English. Nasa sa isang
dapat-
kwarto ka.
Oo.
And then people are, for example, kunwari, hypothetically, people are talking about Ashley. And I
Oo.
said, no, actually, Ashley is like this. Yung
Oo.
ide-defend ka. Ayun.
Without their knowledge, na parang, kasi you are that
Ayan
friend
natin
na,
to.
oo, diba?
At saka yung you'd want to be friends with people who will recommend you and talk about you in rooms with other people. Na, si Ashley, she's funny. I can vouch for her. Kung kailangan mo ng ganito for a job, Ashley can do it. Yung ganon. You'd want to have a friend like that.
Na they don't see you as competition.
Yes.
Facts.
Naantok na tayo. Guys, mag-11
Guys,
PM
pahinga
na.
na ng kumot dyan. Pwede bang muna kami? Magpa 5-minute power nap lang kami ni Hershey. Gusto mo alam mo yung mga nagla-live tas tulog lang? Pwede kayang gawin to sa podcast? Pandagdag lang ng tagal ng podcast. Yung parang, guys, wait lang, sorry, medyo inaantok na kami. Halika, sleep na tayo.
Gising na, okay, guys.
Okay, so yung next green flag ko, parang wala nangyari.
Last red flag mo.
Yung si Negatron.
Okay.
Yung mga friends na lahat puro negative. Negative mindset, negative vibes. Yung wala nang nagawang positive yung buhay sa kanya. So, ang daming yung ganyan na negative. As in, lahat naman tayo may pinagdadaanan, mga problema, ganon. But sometimes it gets to a point na you need to help yourself. Diba? Do something about it. Kung, yes, may hindi mawawala yung negativity. Pero, parang it gives the impression din na maybe you enjoy being a victim. Kasi alam mo naman yung nangyayari, yet you just complain about it. Pero wala ka rin namang ginagawang...
Action point.
Oo, parang you just want me to listen to all your misery or when I try to give you advice to help you out. Ayaw mo kasi you wanna sulk in the negative vibes, diba? Na parang ang nakaka-drain siya as a friend. Kasi syempre, you want your friend to be okay, na magkaroon ng positive mindset, ganyan. Pero ito yung, no, lahat negative, ganyan. Lahat na lang pangit or when it comes to, I don't know, family, friends, career, lahat na hate nila, they hate their life, yung wala ka na makukuhang positive. So, ang nangyayari, sinasak na nila or
Energy
dinidrain nila yung
vampires.
energy mo. Yes, nagiging energy vampires na sila. And people will say na, no, but you have to be a friend. Kasi kaya ka nga friend eh. Kasi you have to be there for them. Yes, but lahat tayo may mga,
Limit.
may limit tayo. May sari-sarili din tayo mga energy na pinipreserve. So, ang hirap maging ganyan. And it's not just with friends, sometimes sa mga relatives, ganyan. May mga ganon na as much as I love you, I can't because nauubos yung pagkatao ko sa'yo.
Yeah.
So parang I'd rather spend time with people who are more positive, mas may positive outlook in life.
Parang ano nga, yung... Hindi, kaya ka to.
Ipalalo move natin yung mga train of thoughts natin ngayon. Lahat sila nawawala eh. Bakit pick up nga sa Eastwood na naiwan ata natin doon?
Ayun. Kaya, it's important. Di ba yung mga tao feeling nila, oh, since I have a friend, pwede kong i-dump sa kanya lahat.
Yeah.
That's what friends are for. Parang through thick and thin, through sunshines and rainy
Rainbows
season.
and butterflies. Tagulan na mga kapuso!
So, ayan, like, friends are there for you through the highs and lows, but also, you have to be considerate toward your friend. So, sasabihin mo, may headspace ka ba to listen? Can I vent? Can I share something? Do you have headspace? And that's actually a practice my friends and I do. We say, may headspace ka ba? Tas ako, pag wala akong headspace, sasabihin ko, hi, hello. Bobo. Guys, ang hirap magsalita pag antok ka na. Sabihin ko, message ka lang, re-replyan kita after ko nito or re-replyan kita when I can, but message ka lang, I'll get back to you. Kasi minsan parang wait lang, may ginagawa din ako or may dinadala din ako, but I'll get back to you. I will support you in the ways I can. Pero yun, you don't expect me then to be your savior.
There you go.
You have to work on yourself.
Oo, yeah. Nakakapagod kasi talaga, guys. Sa totoo lang, di ba? Lalo yung mga taong ayaw magpatulong.
Correct. And your friends are not your therapists. Our friends are not our therapists. We have to do our own healing work.
There
you go.
Ang galing.
Oh, green
There you go,
flags
green
na
flag,
tayo.
green
Patapos
flag.
na tayo.
Galing. We got this.
Para tayo nag-recitation ngayon.
Oo nga eh.
Tapos hirap na tayo magsalita.
Tapos negative pa yung mga pinag-uusapan.
Next, green flag. Ako, green flag sa akin when you are able to have difficult conversations with your friend.
Yes.
Tas hindi siya necessarily front stab. I don't like the term na
Bakit may
front
ganun?
stabbing.
Pang.
Hindi, kasi may mga sinasabi na, oh, hindi ako nag-backstab, nag-front stab ako, tough love, chururut. But actually, a real friend will confront you with the truth with respect.
Yes.
Like, hindi ka nga bababuyin, hindi ka nga
Hindi condescending.
Parang some people, they're very disrespectful to you in the guise of, oh, this is tough love, I'm just being honest, but why be brutally honest to your friend when you can be gently honest?
Yeah. Di ba nga, ang lagi kong sinasabi sa ating chicksters, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. So even if you really mean well, pero kung yung pagkakasabi mo, sobrang, yun nga, brutally honest or minsan wala na sa lugar, wala rin. Parang mas magkakaroon pa ng malaking away kasi hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan eh. It's all about communication, di ba? So kung wala yun, yung factor na gano'n, na you can be gentle, you can be firm about saying things, but kung pangit yung pagkakasabi, walang mangyayari.
Parang like for example, yung word na tangina mo. Parang pag friends, tangina mo. Iba siya sa, tangina mo
Tangina mo.
Diba?
O, diba? O, ano ka agad? Iba? Problema, gago ka.
Anong problema mo? Problema mo.
There you go. See?
May acting reel na naman sa akin.
Alam mo? See? Exactly.
Sorry. Edi sorry.
Sorry. See? Exactly. Please paki-hire na po si Hershey Neri.
Pahingin,
Emotions.
pahingin naman ng teleserye dyan,
Tingin naman ng teleserye. Pahingi nga ng teleserye. pwede. Galing, see? Yan na, we just proved our point.
Natatae ako, sabihin mo.
Natatae ako eh. Natatae na ako. Parehong walang kwenta. Parang, anong gusto, paglandi yung, anong gusto mong sabihin? Anong gusto mo, samahan kita? Ang baboy. Sabay tayo.
Alam mo yung kahit anong episode, matino na nga topic natin, tayo pa rin.
Sino nag-suggest? Wala na nga eh. Okay na ako dun sa ginawa mo. Ang ganda na eh. Sabi mo nga natataya ko.
Next green
Okay.
flag.
Isat ka. Ang green flag ko, mga low maintenance friends.
Yes.
I super love. Alam mo kasi ako, ito yung red flag ko. Hindi talaga ako ma-reply na tao.
I can vouch for
As
that.
in, sobrang I'm shit when it comes to replying. So, yung mga low maintenance friends kasi, alam mo yun, naiintindihan na nila na I have my moments na I'm not available. I'm there, but I'm there, but I'm not.
Yeah.
Yung parang, tapos yung alam mo, online ka naman, ba't hindi ka nagre-reply? Sorry, I know. Alam ko, I am a red flag. I get it. Okay.
Nag-suspect trend tayo last year.
Oo.
Nung tumatak. And isa TikTok, yung suspect.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, si Ashley, suspect. Laging online, di nagre-reply.
Okay. I'll take it. I won't deny it. Yes, that's my red flag. Fine. But I do appreciate my low maintenance friends because alam mo yung kahit ang tagal namin hindi nag-usap
Yeah.
or parang I know they're just there. And then once na we get the opportunity to hang out again, it's like
Nothing
happened.
happened.
Parang it was just like yesterday na even if siguro sabihin natin mga 5 years na tayo hindi nagkita pero pag reunion tayo putya parang kala mo
Kahapon lang.
yung ganun tapos
You picked up where you left off.
yeah, exactly. And then yung mga quick na update or catch up. How are you? I'm good. This and that. Proud of you. Congrats. Blah, blah. Syempre may kita mo naman yung mga update and life updates nila like on Facebook or Instagram. And then you just let them know na, hey, I'm thinking about you or, oh, good job. Oh, you've been wanting this. Oh, happy for you. Ganon. Yun lang. And then that's it. So, parang ang hirap din kasi ng mga yung masyadong maraming expectations or like deliverables. Trabaho.
May
Ang dami
quarterly assessment.
Diyos ko naman, yung parang, yung hindi lang tayo masyado nag-usap, nagtampo ka na, or parang you're taking it way too personal when it's not naman kasi talaga. So, yes.
Yung nga parang yung friends, hindi naman natin kailangan sobrang 24/7 nag-uusap eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Like, we give each other time and space din.
Oo.
And parang diba nga, you love someone then, like absence makes the heart grow fonder.
Yes.
Parang
Absence.
give each other.
Ulit.
Hirap naman i-repeat.
Sorry.
Absence
Makes the
the world go round.
Pabangit tong episode na to.
Alam mo yung paganda eh, tapos biglang maliliko na naman eh.
Alam habang pawala, pababa na rin to. Spaghetti pababa, putya talaga. Alam, yung super twins gusto ng exposure. Sana lang kayo, okay, sorry.
Last green flag. Yung sa akin is if they remember the little things about you, it means they love you. Kasi diba parang...
Because that's how you are. Ang cute mo, you're so cute, yes.
And diba parang to love is to notice.
Yes.
And to be loved is to be known. So parang na-touch ako last year na sa Bangkok, si Ash, bigla niya akong if-FaceTime, tapos may nakita siyang mangga, tingnan mo, magugustuhan mo to.
Na nakaslice ng cube kasi
Mango.
you specifically said you like yung nakaslice.
Mangoes na sliced. Yung ganon. Tapos parang, my friends ako na for example may quote, oh you'd like this, or may book recommendation, hey I read something, I think you'd like it. Yung ganon, yung parang it means kasi na may space yung tao na yun sa heart niya for you.
Yeah.
Naaalala ka niya.
That's cute. Alam mo, nakakatawa. Pag, diba, sa Netflix, nakita ko si BoJack Horse. Ikaw kagad naalala ko eh. Ko, favorite ni Hershey yung isa sa mga
BoJack
quote.
Horseman.
Mga quote. You view,
Red
rose,
flags are just
red flags are just
flags.
rose-colored
Red
lens.
flag.
Lens.
Red flags.
The red flags that rose-colored lens.
Red flags. Red flags are just flags when you view them from rose-colored lenses.
Hindi, alam mo, yung version ko kasi, red flags with rose-colored lens. May maambag lang sa recitation. Ando naman yung thought. Bahala na kayo mag-adjust.
Sa recitation, kailangan mo lang sabihin yung first and yung last word ng sentence para feeling ng teacher, alam mo.
From the root word. Root word lang. Root word. The thought is there.
Mitochondria is the, ano yun? Is the powerhouse. Mitochondria
The powerhouse.
cell.
Yung bigla lang
Cell. Ikaw.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Siguro yung green flag. Sabi ko na kanina kasi kung red flag nga. Friends who actually show up.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Or kahit yung, alam mo, may ibang friends ako na out of the blue, bigla silang magpaparamdam and tatanungin nila ako na,
How are
how are you? How
Pautang
have
ng
you been?
5K.
Please, ayoko ng ganon.
5K lang, ito naman.
Fuck you.
How are you? Pa-Gcash 5K.
Alam mo ba? Wag namang ganon. Puta naman, oh. Matatouch na ako eh.
Ashley, kamusta ka? Naisip kasi kita, tagal na natin.
Gago.
Pero naman 5K, 3 gives.
Alam mo ba?
Ito yung katumbas ng yung mga classmates mo nung grade school na hindi na kayo nag-uusap. Tapos biglang nag-message sa'yo sa messenger kung pwede ka bang gawing ninang ng anak
Ayan.
niya.
Oh my God. Ang dami ko ng mga inaanak na hindi ko kilala.
Ninang ka pala, di ka aware.
Hindi ako
no?
aware. Tapos parang baka nakikita ko si Batis ng katotohanan. Oh, ninang mo yan, oh. So wala akong kamalay-malay. Pusa, dami ko palang
Ninang mo
inaanak.
yan, oh, ninang mo yan.
oh. Say hi to ninang.
Kay Batis.
Huh? So, but anyway, going back dun sa green flag. Green flag, yung ano nga, yan, the, friends who actually show up. And, na, kasi nga, yun yung hinanakit ko, na alam ko pang walwalan lang ako, ganyan, sa mata ng ibang tao. But I only have a few friends that I can really count on, especially when I'm, I'm depressed, Or yung pag may pinagdadaan, kaya ko pa ba? Pag may pinagdadaanan ako, and it takes a lot for me to actually ask for help.
No.
So parang pag humingi ako ng tulong, it means I'm fucking dying. Help me. So so may mga times na yung gano'n na, oh my God, hindi ko na kaya, medyo wild na to. Tapos yung iba sabihin sa, oh sorry, busy ako, or sorry, I can't kasi ganito, ganyan. Parang, okay. I thought so. So yun, so I actually appreciate my friends na who show up. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. I guess, alam mo, funny lang kami, pero emo din kami paminsan eh,
We
ha?
have feelings too, you
Yeah,
know.
feelings too, fuckers.
Yeah. Fuck you. Kasi sa mga tao, ginagawa namin sa inyo.
Bakit kami inaway nyo? Red flag kayo. Kayong dalawa, red flag kayo.
Sinasabi natin, Chicksters, barkadahan to. We're one big happy barkada.
Barkada.
Fuck you.
No, we love you. Pero
We love
minsan,
you,
fuck you.
Chicksters. Hindi nga. Iba kasi
Joke
yung
lang.
fuck you. Sa fuck you.
No, balik natin. Ayun na naman, It's just, expression to.
Yeah.
With love.
Yeah.
It's endearing, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
so,
you.
Chicksters, we love you. Fuck you.
We love you, pero fuck you.
Kayo, ano ang friendship red and green flags nyo?
Ay, meron ka pa Tapos na ba yung...
Tapos na.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Ikaw po, anong red and green flag mo? Ako, red flag yung dila siya ng dila. Enough. Favorite snack niya yung hangin.
Alam mo yung green flag? Alam mo yung magandang green flag for friends? Pag as friends, sabay-sabay kayong pumunta sa October 4 show natin.
Oh, galing naman! Sa'yo ako, napasok mo yun. Ang galing. Dahil dyan, green flag ka. Ang galing na, hindi ko na naisip yun. I'm so proud of you. Ang galing mo.
So, saan gaganapin yung show ng Chicks
Sa
to Go?
Music Museum. Sa Music Museum. October 4. Get your tickets now on Ticket World. Click the link below. So, ayan na. October 4, Music Museum. We'll see you there. It's our first year anniversary. It's our Chicks to Go debut. Boo! Kasi Halloween. So,
Mabu, mabu, mabu.
Mabu. Mao, 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 mabu.
Alam mo, ba't tayo hindi ginawang singers ni Lord, no?
Dahil dyan. Wag na.
Pwes,
Basta
sa
yung
October 4, kakanta kami. So, walang bumili ng
sa ayon sa gusto nyo, magko-concert kami. Fuck, ayoko panoorin yun. Bye. Joke lang. See you guys.
See you.
Gusto mo yung see you guys?
Rate us 5 stars, please.